What is going on, guys? I'm Watch J Ergo, and today I'm here in the garage with my cheap drift car and CRC's Knock Loose. Knock Loose is my go-to penetrating solvent. It loosens frozen metal parts and dissolves rust and corrosion while also lubricating the parts and preventing further rust. On cars like this that come into the shop with almost every fastener rusted or stripped, I basically start the project by spraying everything I can down with Knock Loose first, and then after it sits for just a few minutes, I can get after it with the impact and pull the fasteners right out. It quickly permeates rust, scale, gum, grease, and corrosion, and outperforms the competition as verified in independent tests. Here we have my new Ford 9-inch that I'm going to install in my 79 LS swapped Rolls-Royce. And of course, the brake discs always freeze onto the hub. So we'll just spray this down with a little bit of Knock Loose, all the way around, hit the studs too. We'll let it sit for just a moment, and that brake disc should free right up. There we go. Now I just have to get the caliper off and we can pull the disc. And that is why I use CRC's Knock Loose for all of my projects.